Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to private your YouTube videos. First thing you need to do is you can use the YouTube Studio. I'm going to actually teach you how to do it using your desktop. So if you're using your desktop, the first thing to do, that is your computer, is to log into your YouTube Studio on your computer. And once you're there, the next thing you're going to do is, by the left hand panel here, we are going to choose content. So once you choose the content, you see the video you've already published. If you have not published the video, then you put in the video. When you're publishing it, you see the option for visibility. That's usually the last option, the last step you take when publishing a video on YouTube. You see the option for private, for public, and one other option that has to do with just members. So for now, I'm showing you how to make the video you've already published private. So this is it. So you see visibility, tap on public, and you can see the options are private, unlisted, and public. So you make it private, and that's it. Tap on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.